Cyclopentolate HCl drops are used before eye examinations, like refraction exams. They belong to a class of drugs known as anticholinergics. Cyclopentolate works by temporarily widening, dilating, the pupil of the eye and relaxing the muscles of the eye. It is typically used as directed by your doctor, and the dosage may vary depending on the individual's condition. It is important to follow the instructions provided by your healthcare professional. The optimal timing for taking cyclopentolate HCl drops should be determined by your doctor. When using cyclopentolate HCl drops, follow your doctor's instructions and apply the drops to your eye 40 to 50 minutes before your procedure. The dose may need to be repeated in 5 to 10 minutes. This medication is specifically for use in the eye, so do not take it by mouth or inject it. Before applying the eye drops, be sure to wash your hands. To prevent contamination, avoid touching the dropper tip or letting it touch your eye or any other surface. If you wear contact lenses, remove them before using the eye drops and ask your doctor when you can start wearing them again. If you are using other eye medications, consult your doctor about when you should start using them again. To apply the drops, tilt your head back, look upward, and pull down the lower eyelid to create a pouch. Hold the dropper directly over your eye and place one drop into the pouch. Look downward and gently close your eyes for 1 to 2 minutes. Then, apply gentle pressure at the corner of your eye near the nose for 2 to 3 minutes to prevent the medication from draining away and reduce side effects. Avoid blinking and rubbing your eye. Repeat these steps if necessary for the other eye or for more than one drop. After use, do not rinse the dropper and replace the cap. If using the medication in a child's eye, be careful not to get any in their mouth and wash your hands and the child's hands after use. Cyclopentolate HCl drops may temporarily affect digestion in infants, so do not feed an infant for 4 hours following an eye exam. The medication starts working within minutes and its effects usually last 24 hours or longer. If you experience blurred vision, light sensitivity, or dilated pupils several days after the exam, inform your doctor. When using cyclopentolate HCl drops, you may experience burning, stinging, redness, eye irritation, or temporary blurred vision. If any of these effects persist or worsen, inform your doctor or pharmacist immediately. Remember that this medication has been prescribed because your doctor has determined that the benefits outweigh the potential side effects. Most people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. Contact your doctor immediately if you experience any serious side effects, such as dizziness, fainting, mental/mood changes, such as confusion, hallucinations, restlessness, strange behavior. Seek medical help right away if you experience very serious side effects, including eye pain/swelling, vision changes, such as seeing rainbows around lights at night, slow/shallow breathing, fast/irregular heartbeat, seizures. A severe allergic reaction to this drug is rare, but seek immediate medical help if you notice symptoms such as rash, itching/swelling, especially of the face/tongue/throat, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects. If you notice other effects not listed here, contact your doctor or pharmacist. If you are in the US, call your doctor for medical advice about side effects. You may report side effects to FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, call your doctor for medical advice about side effects. You may report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. If you are allergic to cyclopentolate, belladonna alkaloids, or any other allergies, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist before using this medication. This product may contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions or other problems, so it's important to talk to your pharmacist for more details. Before using cyclopentolate, discuss your medical history with your doctor or pharmacist, especially if you have a personal or family history of glaucoma, Down syndrome, brain damage or spastic paralysis, in children, or heart disease. After applying this medication, your vision may become temporarily blurred. It is important not to drive, use machinery, or do any activity that requires clear vision until you can do it safely. This medication may also make your eyes more sensitive to light, so it's important to protect your eyes in bright light and use dark sunglasses when outdoors. Infants or small children may be more sensitive to the side effects of this drug, especially mental/mood changes. If using this medication in an infant, it's important to watch the infant closely for 30 minutes after the medication is applied. Older adults may also be more sensitive to the side effects of this drug, especially increased pressure in the eye. If you are pregnant, discuss the risks and benefits of using this medication with your doctor, as it should be used only when clearly needed. It is unknown if this drug passes into breast milk, so it's important to consult your doctor before breastfeeding. When using Cyclopentolate Hcl drops, it is important to be aware of potential drug interactions that may affect how the medication works or increase the risk of serious side effects. It is recommended to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share this list with your doctor and pharmacist. It is important to always seek your doctor's approval before starting, stopping, or changing the dosage of any medicines. This will help ensure the safe and effective use of Cyclopentolate Hcl drops. If this medication is swallowed, it can be harmful. If someone has taken too much and is experiencing serious symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it's important to call for emergency medical assistance. Otherwise, contact a poison control center immediately. In the U.S., you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center. Symptoms of an overdose may include flushed or dry skin, blurred vision, a fast or irregular heartbeat, fever, changes in mental or mood, and loss of coordination. It's important to be aware of these symptoms and seek help if needed. This medication is used to dilate the pupil for eye exams and certain eye surgeries. It works by relaxing the muscles in the eye. Cyclopentolate belongs to a class of drugs known as anticholinergics. This medication is for use in the eye only. Do not take by mouth or inject. When using Cyclopentolate Hcl drops, it is important to follow the instructions provided by your doctor. These drops are typically used to dilate the eye for an examination or procedure. The usual dose is 1 to 2 drops in the eye, with the number of doses and timing determined by your healthcare professional. It is important to use the drops exactly as prescribed and to not exceed the recommended dosage. Be sure to talk to your doctor about the best timing for taking these drops and any concerns you may have. When using Cyclopentolate Hcl drops, it is important to store it at room temperature and avoid freezing it. If you are using single-use containers, make sure to throw away any leftover medication after use. Keep all medications out of reach of children and pets. Do not flush this medication down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. Make sure to properly discard this product and it is expired or no longer needed. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on how to do this. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.